On the interior, the house is now completely trimmed out. So all of the windows and doors and baseboard have all been installed. And the interior chimney is done. And it really looks fantastic. I actually lit a fire yesterday. Everything worked, so that's good. But yeah, seems like lots of progress because it all kind of happened at once. But the trim has at least one coat of finish on it everywhere because we pre-finished it. Most have 2 coats, and the 3rd coat on everything will go this coming week. So we have 4 weeks to go and some exciting stuff coming up, like this coming week, granite install, which will make a huge difference. On the exterior, Israel and his guys made pretty good progress this week. It actually poured most of the week, so they pulled out of here for a couple days. But the days that they were here, they got a lot of the trim and battens installed. No progress on the septic because of all the rain. I'm hoping they'll be back this coming week because it's supposed to be warm and relatively dry. But Israel and his guys will be here Tuesday through Friday. So I'm hoping they'll make a lot of progress. And other than the fact that it's a mud pit because of all the rain,